Ash my way down here, and I'm trying to act like I'm a. Wait. Okay, I'm playing real high on Roblox with my stepsister.
Hi! I'm gonna record in a minute, so don't get weirded out whenever I say, hey guys, it's just you cupcakes speaking.
Anyways. So. It's my first time making a
You
Roblox
can't even
video.
see the whole screen. Sorry. Well, I'm gonna record.
Okay, anyways, good. Yes, my Roblox character is this, but who cares?
Yep, so when you see her, don't judge her, because she made a new account because she's on her new computer. Why is Roblox doing this to me?
Yeah,
Okay.
and my other account with Roblox and stuff, it logged me out.
I don't care, I'm not reading all of that. Okay, where are you, Hannah Banana? Sorry. I am a mermaid. Oh, I see you up there. Hey, girl. I'm flying right in front of you. Can't you see? And yes, I bought these shoes and this skirt. I have to stop flying. I bought these shoes and this skirt because I love them.
How am I supposed to tell?
What?
What do I do right now?
Okay, what in the world? This school has changed. Whoa, how did I get that many diamonds? I don't remember having that many freaking diamonds. Hello, girl. Game girl. Let's go into the school. I think this is the Royal High School. Hold on, let me just check. Royal High Classic. Nope. Nope. I'm not going no classic.
What happened?
And you're going inside a Royal High. How do you go inside this freaking portal? What does it say? That says Royal High. Hannah, how did you go in the portal?
I didn't. Okay, this is super duper laggy.
Look. Go. Sorry. Excuse me. Why? Golly. Did you even go into the portal, Hannah?
No.
Where did you go?
I have no idea.
What? You know what? I might as well just go inside of this carriage. It'll take me to Royal High.
Oh, that's nothing. Okay, we're going to have to go.
This carriage won't even move. I didn't even go inside the freaking school. What?
I'm not able to. I will play it in a minute. Right now, I'm gonna see if I can download some games so I can play them while I'm recording.
Well, I'm in Royal High, but she won't play anymore.
I will in a minute. I want to get Minecraft, but it's $26.99.
Yep. I thought to sneeze again. Wow, that one hurt. My nose.
Don't say anything good.
Yeah, I don't know why it's taking forever to load. I haven't played Royal High in a while.
I don't care if you guys hate on my videos, because I don't know why haters think. Why are haters just haters? Like,
they need to be grateful. Now arriving at the castle.
Hey, well, haters, you don't. I think haters are just jealous. Yeah, I'm getting cooking fever.
This is weird. Oh,
okay. So while that is downloading,
Lucy,
we are going to. I've been recording for 4 minutes now. So while that's downloading, we're going to go on Firefox, and we are going to. I don't know what we're gonna do on Firefox. I don't know. Kill me!
This school has changed.
Yeah, we're gonna get on YouTube. You showed your face, lol. Also, I just waited to watch it till we're done with you. Who cares if I showed my face, okay?
Wait, you showed your face on a video?
No, it was on my background on the computer. But yeah, cousin, I know you're watching this, and if you are, I can show my face. Nobody's gonna. They probably are gonna find out where I live. But guess what? Guess what? My papa has a gun. My papa gonna go pow pow pow. We live by a police station.
Stopped recording.
Yeah, it has to be on this one.
Hey, your video might get copyrighted.
I don't care, Wombat. If you can't understand what I'm saying, then just deal with it. Top 8 Melody. I love Melody Me. I have no idea what that is actually. Well, I watched the Melody Me, but I forget. What? Oops. What? The heck? I like my papa. I did not click on cute parrots doing funny things. But cute parrots are adorable, so because they're cute. Hey, you know what I could do? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. That's cute, I want a parrot now. This is so cute, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna end the video there because I've been recording for 7 minutes now, and I'm getting tired of recording, and I'm kind of hungry, so yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the second video in a row. Bye bye!